So I got a package. This is a fan for a computer I have. For some reason, well, not for some reason, probably due to, natural occurrences, my Steven's laptop fan just doesn't work anymore. It just stops. So that computer overheats ridiculously. And it's basically a space heater. So I got this, a fan. It's from China. I'm gonna try and figure out how to swap it out. This is my other computer. This thing is a beast. Like, it does a lot of good stuff, but it needs a fan because this thing will overheat. Like, you can literally use it as a space heater. Like, that's how hot it gets. You can burn stuff on it. So hopefully this fan will fix this. Well, hopefully I can get it installed because I've never done this ever. So this is like my first DIY change computer components situation that I'm facing right now. Dude, what is on this? Oh, never mind, got it. Alright, so this is the fan. One connection, that's it. So really, I can't fuck this up. Yeah, so the fan's kind of hidden. So, alright, I gotta figure out how to get in there. Did not expect that, but we prevail.
One thing leading to another, let the party begin.